Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis. Starting with Forex Factory, 8th of July. We got 3 p.m. CAD news, and before that we had in the morning we had AUD news, but there's no AUSD news, so basically there's no news relating to gold. So normally we're interested in USD news. So jumping on the charts, and you can see there's this 4 hour starting with daily, and you see that here trend is down, and the market has this level, and it's keep coming down at the moment. And it, let's go on to 4 hour, and 4 hours still down as well, and this is this fair value gap, and I'm expecting the market to come this level here. Previously, I did say that this W pattern, and it has been tested, but there's still possibility more price to come down. And going on to 1 hour, this 50 level has been tested before. Previously, we had this 0.236 level, and then 3.82 level tested, and now 0.52 level. So somewhere, if we can find here the prices, we may sell. We may find a good sell opportunity here. So for that, we go on to 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, and we'll see what level we have. And you see this break of structure, and possibly around this area somewhere. We can find this area or this area. We possibly can find a good sell, and target would be to the downside uh, around this area, which is 33.50. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.